So, you fancy yourself a crimper? Can you capture mounds from the shore, navigate the seas, scupper ships and circumnavigate? Then this box is for you, forecaster of the winds. The ships may move port, ahead or starboard. However, they may drift with the wind in their first or second. Miguel! I'm trying to tell them rules here! Inside is a hoard of treasure. The code has been printed in bespoke font. This will guide you through your crimping journey. The seas are watercolour and hinged with fabric. Each ship has been individually hand-painted, making every fleet unique. The game mechanics mimic maritime law. Up to 6 may play. Transfer, broadside, board, and scuttle. You are not only receiving a game, but an artwork assembled by the collaborators. For if you aid us in our endeavour, together we can crimp the world. Something like that. Let's listen to it, innit?